Good Sunday evening to you. I am East Coast Weather Association's Mike G. It is 8:15 p.m. here on the East Coast, January 22nd, 2017. It's Sunday, and we're just watching the big severe outbreak here in the southeast, which is basically fizzling out at this hour. There were tornado watch boxes across Alabama and Georgia, and now these are actually expiring. All this is just a big shield of rain. There could be some more spin-ups here along the coast, anywhere along coastal Carolina, Wilmington, even Charleston and Myrtle Beach, northward up the coast here, all the way up into Philly. Just watch for nasty, nasty weather tonight as this comes up the East Coast here, and it will be just dark and dreary and rainy, maybe a little bit of wind behind this thing, not too much, but just keep your eye to the sky and just watch for any warnings that pop up overnight. And stay safe out there. Hopefully this message would save a life. Anyway, let's get to the big topic here, which is a four-letter word and begins with S. The only thing that's for sure right now is the extreme cold coming still at the end of this month, anytime the next week or so, up until the 31st. It looks like we could see our first batch of the white stuff, but it's going to be in the mountains. It's going to be in the mountains of western Carolinas, anywhere in the highest peaks. This insane, crazy upper-level energy will take its way up the coast by sunrise tomorrow. Just like I said, a lot of rain up here. It's moving up towards Philly and New York. Some heavy, heavy rain up there. Just watch out for a nasty commute there on Monday. Leave yourself some extra time. And here comes the cold shot in from the west. This is the piece of energy swinging through here right around Wednesday, maybe into Thursday night. It gets really cold up here. Probably some mountain snows anywhere in the southern Appalachians, probably in the higher peaks, the higher elevations is where it's going to be coming down pretty good there. Probably see some of that stuff in the webcam with the resorts in North Carolina and South Carolina as we go later into the week. Here we go into Friday morning. You're waking up to really cold stuff. Lake effect snows here across the Ohio and maybe Indiana areas, western Pennsylvania. So this isn't really, real cold, but it's cold enough, and it stays cold through the 29th, through the 30th, and we're looking at some kind of coastal system probably going to be making its way up here later this month. The models aren't picking up on it yet, and I really think that our chances of seeing something towards the end of the month actually go up, up, up. I don't think that the chances stay the same. And then as we look into the longer range here, another cold shot here in the 2nd of February. One thing is for certain is the cold, not necessarily any types of storms this far out. We like to freaking say that, it's going to do nothing rather than hype up a storm. So let's try not to do that over here at ECWXA. And it looks like we just get warm again through the 6th. And, of course, always at 384 hours out, which the confidence is 0% at this case. Shows a pretty decent piece of energy here from Canada, combining with something probably in the southern jet stream, making a big snowstorm here. And this includes North Carolina all the way down to Atlanta, all the way up into Pennsylvania, and all the way up past Lake Erie. I'm meteorologist Mike Griffith, East Coast Weather Association. Try to get your weather here first, and we will try to serve you first. Have a great start to your week, everybody.